So this is the last video and I'm going to show you how we can save our file and export it. Now at the moment this is a Photoshop file, which means it's not particularly good for submitting to your teacher on Google Classroom. So what we want to do is do something called exporting. We're going to make it into a different kind of file. So what I do is I go to File here and choose Save As. What that's going to do is create a new version of this file that's better for submitting. So if I just drop down here, I can choose where I want to put it. So I'm going to go with my desktop. And then rather than Photoshop, I'm going to go with JPEG. So a JPEG is what we call compressed. It makes the file smaller. It will still look very good, but it won't be editable. And we'll talk about the editable file in a moment. And this is perhaps going to be printed, so it'd be a good choice for printing. Alternatively, if we might want to put it on the web, we might go for PNG. Or finally, if this was going to go in a magazine and we wanted it to be really high quality, we'd go with a TIFF. But I'm going to go with JPEG. Okay, you can see it's going to make it be a copy, so we press save. And we can play around with the quality. Let's go with 8 or 9, so it's a nice high quality image. And press OK. Now what that's done, it's saved one to my desktop. But the last thing I want to do is close the image down now. And mine's already saved, but yours will ask if you want to save it. Now, it might seem a bit strange that it asks that because we've just done it, but you need to save the Photoshop file. So what you should be left with are these two images. Your editable one, if I double click on that, look, I can carry on editing it, your JPEG file. Now, this is not editable, but it's great for handling in Google Classroom because it's a smaller file, and it's also going to look great when it's printed. And the reason we do this export, we just quickly do a get info on this. Look, my Photoshop file is 66 meg, and my JPEG, look, is, let's just go to get info, is only 2.8. So I could email that to somebody, whereas the other one I can't. And it means I'm going to save space on my computer if I've finished it, and I can always throw away this PSD if I want to, if I'm really happy with it. We should really keep it, but what we want to do is use this for the emailing and sending. And that's it, that's how we save our work and export it.